Why is there so much garbage? Are people that nasty? Where is all this coming from? What can we do? So much questions. Welcome to our community beach cleanup, and let me answer some of these questions.
The white bag, only plastic bottles go in there because this will be recycled, and this is for just garbage. Okay. So one is focusing on garbage and somebody focusing on plastic. White.
We need a whole other bag for shoes.
Yes. So this will be a shoes bag.
Shoes bag. All right, I'm gonna do shoes.
It's only plastic.
Where your bag at?
Once we done video everybody and explaining everybody that I don't want to mix up, right? So it has to, the white bag takes all of the plastic bottles, and the black top is the garbage, yes. Because if not, problem.
No problem. And once you
yeah, we want to make sure everybody understands. No problem.
No problem.
Yeah, but I love the support. Thanks for coming out. So guys, we're here at the beach cleanup. Yeah. So because I clean people, it's gonna pick up those plastic and the regular garbage. Guys, gonna pick up the garbage bag. So we have Lee here.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm on shoe duty. The last time we were here, we had almost a pile as big as plastic bottles. So yeah, shoes. At this with fun.
We're so happy to see her back on this channel, right? We haven't seen Lee for such a long time. I know.
I'm sorry that I have so many jobs.
I know. Life of an island.
Yeah,
of island people.
Yeah, literally a real Jamaican. Too much job.
Too much jobs. All right, guys. So I'm gonna put on the camera and join the front. Yes. Here. Yes. Chichi here, helping out. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right. And we have the kids from the community helping out. Yes. That's the garbage bag. Pick up yourself. All right. All right. Very good, very good. Nice. Only plastic. Very good. Pushing here. Yes. Nice. Working on her plastic bag. Very nice. Blessings. Yes, people, that's how we do it. I recorded the action, so now me also need to get my gloves, and we're doing gloves here. Theo, pick up yourself. Is gonna take care of a little soup. Yeah, we're gonna have a little fish tea.
Yeah.
Huh? Right here. No, just garbage, just garbage. Coconut is alright. No shoes.
So where is all this garbage coming from? The majority is coming from land and entering the ocean. True. Littering, poor waste management, stormwater discharge, garbage dumping, sewer overflows, garbage left on the roadside, and the list goes on. What can we do? Stop throw bottles out of your cars. Use reusable bottles and cups instead of single-use plastic. Recycle the plastic bottles. Visiting the beach or river, make sure you and your friends not leaving back any garbage. Government to fix draining systems and collect the garbage on a regular basis. Let me know in the comments what else we could do. In the meantime, we keep cleaning the beach. Join us on our next beach cleanup, April 23rd.
We still have foam, we still see foam, but not as much as used to. So that's a good thing.
In 2019, the Jamaican government banned styrofoam and plastic straws. And I'm happy to say that we can see the positive effects of this ban. There is almost no styrofoam here. And this goes to show that the government updating laws and policies is critical in the fight against climate change.
This can go garbage. Yeah.
Changing.
Everybody's out here helping. Yes, we love to see it. All right, nice. Everybody out helping. We love the effort. Yeah, man. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
5 bags of shoes.
And fish tea, soup. Knife sharpie.
Yeah. We underestimate it.
Yeah.
Let's get in the shop.
Yeah, coming.
Here we go. We haven't even scratched the surface.
I know.
But this, we've done a lot. You guys are still working. I have to run.
Thanks so much for coming out. Yes. Pick up
Alright.
yourself. And yes, and Lee, same. Pick up yourself. Yes. Kwesi. Yes.
You, bro.
What's your country, you know?
Then you pray that bar more than shot.
Then I rub them with all of our big rock up there.
Yeah.
All in.
Oh no, look at that. Yeah. And same here, beautiful beach, but we wish to keep the access available for the community, for the people. We are proactive. So guys, to learn more about beach access rights for the people, go and check out Jabbem. I'll leave the link in the below so you can actually read up and inform yourself really the importance in the right of the people for the beach access, which can be a challenge in some areas because development is happening, land is getting bought up, and beach land, right? So we have cases already like in Ocharios and these places where it's hard for actually local people, for the community to even access the beach.
So you might be thinking, but Jess, what do you mean? The beach is public. Well, correct. But for how long? Currently, the road is being fixed, and with that, lots of investors are buying up beachfront land. So we are very concerned about the future of our free community beaches. In the past, development has been made with no regards to people's beach access rights, like in St. Anne and St. James, or the current case with Marley Beach. So we do not want this to happen in Portland, the parish known and loved for its ecotourism. We need to recognize that the current models of development are not environmental nor local community friendly. In other parts of the island, development happened, and since then, the locals have no access to the beach again, and of course cannot afford the high-priced entrance fees. Jamaicans also have rights to access the beach and beautiful natural recreational spaces. Yes, we need the economy to grow, but not only for the rich and wealthy, who can afford to build these villas and privatize entire beaches and lagoons. We need an ecotourism model supporting the communities and their right to access the beach as well. Please join the Jamaica Beach Birthright Environmental Movement called Jabbem to get the government of Jamaica to make unconditional access to and use of all Jamaican beaches a constitutional right. Thanks for listening, and please check the description for all relevant links. Thank you, and I'll catch you on my next adventure. Bye!
Really want to raise awareness about this because there are a lot of communities right here we are concerned with the developments going on now because the new road is in the making. So
The beach is right here.
It's at the starting point.
Yeah, it is at the starting point, right at Lambay Square.